TENK stock analysis Tuesday and onward. Is it a buy or sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. This is TenX Keane Acquisition stock. The thing just blew up out of nowhere. 200% up, that's like 3x. But like nonetheless, we don't have that much data. I mean, it's overall like 2 to 3 daily candles. So what I do, like, doesn't matter the time frame, doesn't matter the chart. I mean, it kind of does, but it really depends on how you look at it. But I'm just gonna double down on this bullish market, and in order for me to maybe kind of take any opportunities is going to be if it pulls a little bit lower and just retraces and gives me like a double break. This is going to be a thing that I'll take higher. Anything else that's not going to be this, it's just going to be complete noise, complete just ignore for me, you know. So waiting for the rules. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one.